Türkiye Vagon Sanayi Anonim Şirketi, more commonly known as TÜVASAŞ, is a railcar manufacturer based in Adapazarı. TÜVASAŞ is responsible for the construction, refurbishment and repair of railcars for the Turkish State Railways, and is a 100% shareholding of the Turkish State Railways, reporting directly to the Turkish Ministry of Transport. TÜVASAŞ was founded in 1951 as Vagon Tamir Atölyesi in order to repair existing railcars of TCDD's fleet. Today, TÜVASAŞ has become the largest railcar manufacturer in the Middle East. They are headquartered in their Adapazarı plant in Mithatpaşa, a neighborhood of Adapazarı. The TVS 2000 railcars were built by TÜVASAŞ and are their flagship railcar product.